Hello lovely shoebox packers, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Newfie Fan. My name is Sarah. So today we're going to do a box for girl 2 to 4, and it's going to have a South American, like tropical Americas theme to it. And I shamelessly stole this idea from another YouTube creator, and go over and check out her channel. Her name is, I believe it's Lissy Doll 94. I'll put her channel name up here on the screen, and her name is Alicia, and she did a South American theme there a little while back, and she also did it for a girl 2 to 4, and I just loved that. I thought it was such a fun, cute idea. And I already had a lot of this stuff kind of in my stash, and I was playing with it. I didn't really know where I was going to go with the theme. So thank you, Alicia. You inspired this box. I had a ton of fun putting this one together. And there's also another little connection to this box. As you know, I'm a big Walt Disney World fan, some would say nerd. And this past weekend was the big fan convention in Anaheim, California. It's called D23. It's a big convention. They have it every 2 years. Obviously, I don't attend. It's just obviously too expensive to fly to California from this side of the world. But a lot of it you can see online. Disney streams some of the presentations, and of course a lot of the Disney content creators, they have stuff all over their socials. So I've been following along all weekend, and it's been really exciting because there's a new land coming to Animal Kingdom called Tropical Americas, and it's going to feature Encanto and Indiana Jones. So anyways, that's the connection to this box. I'm celebrating Tropical Americas being built in Animal Kingdom, and I'm also inspired by Alicia. So anyways, without further ado, I'll show you what's inside my box. And so I have a fair bit of Dora in here, because of course Dora is South American, or I'm not sure, is she South American or is she more like from Central America? I'm not sure, but anyways, we got lots of Dora in here. And I tried to focus on the animals, similar to the box that Alicia did. So right at the back we have Llama Rama Neon Fun Palooza. There you go, say that 3 times fast. It's a Crayola coloring book that I found at Dollarama. It does come with some fun llama stickers, and I just really like, these are really fun, simple pages. I feel like a 2 to 4 year old could have a lot of fun with this coloring book and get real creative. And there's even little words, little stories to go along with the pictures. As well, I did tuck in some of my guided writing little sheets so they can practice their printing. And I believe there's 5, and I think this is the end of these. So I'm gonna have to get some pre-K exercise books or something. Hopefully some will go on sale now with the back to school sales. And this I actually just found, and I was so excited because, like I said, a lot of this is inspired by Tropical Americas, and one of the big attractions that's going in is an Encanto ride, and it's all themed around Antonio and his gift to talk and communicate with animals. And so I found this at Dollar Tree. So anyways, it's just a thin little storybook, but it's so brightly colored. I just love it. And it has all the Encanto characters, and of course Antonio with all his animals. And so you can see parrots, capybaras. Is that a leopard? I think that's a leopard. His toucan. I don't know what that is. I gotta look up my animals, but anyways, there you go. There's a little book for him. For her, sorry, for her. This box is for a girl. Couldn't fit in a big plush, so I put in a sloth, little bag charm, little bag hanger. I think this is one of the last ones of these. I got these from Dollarama like a year ago, and they're dressed in scrunchies, but you can take the scrunchies off. So even if she doesn't have a ton of hair, she can just wear these as little bracelets on her arms. Girls love wearing scrunchies on their arms. Also gave her a little flower bracelet. Again, I was just going with the tropical flowers and kind of the rainforest vibe. And this is a scrunchie as well, but you can turn it into a little creature. So it's obviously a little parrot, little tropical bird. And there's her little feet. And so again, if she doesn't have a lot of hair, she can put this on her arm. Wear a cute little parrot on her arm as a bracelet. Here's her little green washcloth. And here is a Dora puzzle. This one may be a bit difficult for a 2 to 4. 4-year-old might be able to. This is a 24 piece, I believe. And I want to say I got these on clearance at Walmart just recently. And it says more to explore. So I just cut out the image from the box. The box was obviously quite large and would not fit in this box. Here's her toothbrush. And she's got this cute little parrot, tropical bird, another little bag charm that can hang off something. And this little silicone purse, but it's a poppet. So inside here are a bunch of little accessories, which I'll show you in a minute because they go with something else inside the box. And I gave her a little cup. And this is a restaurant that we have here on the East Coast. So it actually started in Newfoundland. And it's one of my kids' favorite restaurants to go to. It's themed pretty heavily. Of course, it's themed to the jungle. And it's called Jungle Gyms. And this is one of the cups that you can get free with a kid's meal when you dine in. So I included the cup with, of course, the little toucan. And then inside, I've stuffed the cup. Here's what was inside. Oh, I've got a little pink spoon. These are the IKEA spoons. I've got a pink river dolphin. This is like a Playmobil figurine. I think came from like a kid's meal toy. And she's got 2 pairs of socks. She got a pink pair. And she got Antonio from Encanto with the bird sitting on his head. So I was like, ooh, how appropriate. It goes perfect with the book. She got 2 pairs of socks. And here's a little Dora toy. I just got this recently. I got this, I believe, on Amazon. It's so cute. It's Dora on a scooter, and she holds onto her scooter. She got a little helmet on, and she does ride quite nicely. And it comes with, I forget his name. Is his name Benny? I need to brush up on my Dora. It's been so long, of course, since my kids have watched Dora. But yeah, there's another little figurine that came with her. And I found this cute little capybara shirt. This is a 5/6 from the Children's Place. And I'll open it up, and it's like a little back-to-school capybara. Got her water bottle, got her books. That was so cute. And here is, I guess, her wow, is this beautiful Dora doll. And she stands up, and of course she's articulated, she's posable, her legs and arms move. And she comes with backpack, backpack, backpack. Anybody else have the Dora song still stuck in their head? And here is all the accessories that came with Dora. That's what I had stuffed in this little parrot purse, whatever it is, tropical bird. She's got sunglasses. She also has a couple outfit changes. So she can actually mix and match these pieces. This is like a little jumper and another little top, and they can all be mixed and matched with the little skirt and tank top she got on. And she's got a cute little flower headband, another little visor, and she comes with a little basket and a little bouquet of flowers inside, which she can actually put in her hand. She can actually hold on to the bouquet. So yeah, I had that all put inside her little bird puppet purse. So cute. And here is her little bright orange comb, her dual hold sharpener, her safety scissors, and I left this in the package. This is again, like kind of like another little bracelet fidget. It's called Tangle Pets. So it kind of shows how they can twist and play with them and make different shapes. And they can put it on their arm as a bracelet or just play with it as a fidget. And it is, of course, Snap the Sloth. And here is her pencil case. Gave her 4 washable Crayola markers. She gets this really cute llama pin. Found these at Dollar Tree. It's Click. I like that it doesn't have a cap, so it's a bit safer, you know, for the 2 to 4s. She's got her pink eraser and her pre-sharpened pencils. I also gave her 2 chunky ones. She's got a regular pencil and a multicolored one, and then just a little pretty green flowered pencil. And then of course I always tuck some surprises inside. She's got this little diamond painting magnet, and it's a capybara with a little bird on his snout. So cute. So I did put it in a little Ziploc bag. That way if the caregiver, guardian, whatever, doesn't want the child to have this, it is sealed in a bag. And we've got a nice big 2 Can Do It sticker. I gave her some little animal stickers. A couple more. She got happy faces. A little fish bookmark. I put in Elmo Valentine. And of course I picked out the sloth prayer card. It says, "A cheerful face brings joy to the heart." Proverbs 15:30. That was all inside her pencil case. I've given her 12 crayons that I've separated out and put in a little bag for her. And her little doodle book, just her plain paper from Dollarama. I did find this just recently at Dollar Tree. A little capybara notepad. It's really cute. It's like a double layered. It's like there's like plain paper up here. It has like an image of capybara, and then there's just like notebook paper. But I don't know if this is going to fit in. When I go to repack it, I'm going to see, but I think this might be a bit too thick. This box was pretty cinched to begin with, but she is getting the plain jot paper. Oh, and here is the image from the puzzle box. So I just laid that on the bottom, and yeah, it is a 24-piece puzzle. So I just laid that on bottom. She gets a little sloth, a little wooden hanger to color, just a little craft activity for her, and some sloth stickers. Again, I left these in the plastic, partly to protect them and partly just in case the caregiver doesn't want the child to have like the puffy stickers yet. At least they're still in the plastic. And some fishy stickers and lots of tropical butterflies and some insects on there. And I gave her these cute little animals. This came out of another book that was cut out. And of course there is a sloth. And then I do have another book right on the bottom as well. I have Up. And this movie took place in a fictional location called Paradise Falls, but it was in South America. So I have this reader as well. And there's Kevin. We love Kevin. And she's got 2 of my little paper doll cutouts for her to decorate. Maybe she can turn one of them into Dora if she wants to. And I got this from Sweet Tea Daily's website, sweetteadaily.com. And it's just a little coloring heart. It says, "You are loved." Just, again, another little activity, something for her to color. And I gave her, not sure, I think there's 5 or 6 sheets of different colored construction paper there for her to have fun with her stickers. And here is the packaging from her doll. And I wanted her to see that she can make all these different looks, little outfit changes with her Dora doll. It says 10+, so there you go. So, yeah, so that's everything in my South American or Tropical Americas theme for girl 2 to 4. So, shout out to Alicia again. Thanks for inspiring me to put this one together. Like I said, it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of these pieces kind of already, and I just kind of brought it together and made up a theme. That's what we do here. We make up themes. Anyways, friends, this quick video this week. I really appreciate you tuning in. Love to hear from you in the comments as usual. Tell me what your favorite item was. Tell me if you've ever done like South American or like Tropical Americas, like an animal theme. Yeah, I'd love to hear about it. Anyways, friends, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.